So this is my project regarding Arduino and IoT application. So this project is basically a blind man stick which detects the presence of any objects nearby, and it blinks and buzzer is make sound so that the blind person can detect the presence of any substance nearby him or her. So I am checking a little bit application of it. Suppose I am going and I am a blind person, and let's say this is an obstacle, then you can see that this detects the presence and it makes sound. This is also, you can see, this also. I'm going here. So now I am describing how I have connected each and every things to the Arduino, the ultrasonic sensor and the buzzer and power supply, and also the LED. All over I will give the circuit diagram in the description box, and also I am describing now. As you know that ultrasonic sensor having the 4 pins VCC, trig, eco and GND. So the GND will be connected with the GND of the Arduino board, that is Arduino UNO, and eco and trig is like that, it is up to you, but it will be connected on the digital pins, and it will totally depend on what pin you are doing the coding. So you can use 12, 13. I have used 10 and 11, so you can use 8, 9, 10, whatever you want. Then coming to the buzzer, then I have connected the ground of the buzzer to the GND of the Arduino board, and the that is this yellow or the input to one of the digital pins. I have used pin number 11 for this. You can use any pin regarding your means, it totally depends on your coding and to what type of pin you want to use. The second thing is the LED. So I have connected the LED with GND and 13. You can use 13, you can use 12 also, but it is totally up to you that what type of code you want to generate. So that's all about the circuit diagram. It is very simple IoT application, so I recommend everyone to try that. This is not that you will require a high cost for that, as Arduino Uno. If you have Arduino Uno previously, then you can of course try it, because ultrasonic sensor is something 90 to 95 rupees or 100 rupees max. Then buzzer is also very cheap, 50-40 rupees. You can buy from the local market also, and if you consider the 9-volt battery, then this is also cheap. And I recommend everyone have power bank on their home, so you can use power bank for power supply also. Okay, I have used the power bank because as you know, this is much there are sometimes the wire to wire connections and this loose connections occurs. So I want to reduce the use of wires in my project, so I am using power bank for that. So this is all about the circuit diagram and the connections regarding the small project. This is the code for the blind man stick project. So here in the first para, the definition or the defining the pin numbers, that what is connected to which pin. That is, trig pin is connected to 9, eco pin is connected to 10, then buzzer is connected to 11, and LED pin is connected to 13. Then the definition of the variables, then the main program, then the loop program. This is the setup program, this is the loop program, then the setting of the trig pin, then setting of the eco pin, then the calculation of the distances, and lastly the serial monitor connection, that is the distance measurement. So this is the code for blind man stick project. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.